In this video, I'll be guiding you through how to download Woodoku application on your Android phone. So let's get started without further delay. First, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet connection and then open up your Play Store. Now go to the search box at the top and type in Woodoku and search. Doing this will show you search results based on the given name. Simply go ahead and look for this application from Triple Dot Studios Limited, which says Woodoku Block Puzzle Game. To get the application downloaded, tap the install button and wait for the app to download and install. After waiting for a couple of minutes, your application should finish installation. After it does, you should be able to see a play button. Tap on it to launch open Woodoku Puzzle Game on your Android device. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded Woodoku on your Android with a few simple steps. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.